expectation versus reality. Pa! Ano na? Ano na? Oh my God! Bibigyan kayo ng ganitong sticker and you're free to roam around the museum. This is how Boyvian looks like during daytime. That's Ross! Oh my God! Alright. Nasa Pucci Tunnel na kami. Oh, sorry. I'm vlogging. And medyo malaki yung group namin and stricto yung tour guide. So, I have to stick with the group dahil madali ako mawala. Oh, new friends from Malaysia. Hey, El. Kasi yung mukha ko. Dami! Dami kayo! Nagawa siya ng kape for me yung ano daw. Diba?